Cockpit preparation. Rudder pedals adjusted and locked. Seat belts locked. Flight controls. Stick left, left aileron up. Right aileron down. Stick right, right aileron up. Left aileron down. Stick back. Elevator up. Stick forward. Elevator down. Left rudder. Right rudder. Position lights on. Chin back master switch on. Alternate air off. Throttle idle. Mixture full rich. Parking brake. Set. Fuel shut off open. Flaps up. Avionics on. Interior lights off. Exterior lights position on. Turn coordinator. DG, VSI, VOR indicator, RPM gauge, altimeter, plus 300 feet, checked. Set field, attitude indicator, airspeed 0, fuel prime off, suction, clock set, compass and deviation card checked, trim, checked, warning lights, checked. Audio panel tests, GPS date, check. OBS test, half left, half up, no off flags, new heading 120, checked, enter. Transponder, 1200 standby engine instruments. And fuel level check, circuit breakers in. We'll listen to ATIS, 18 of 7.5 here.
7 Zulu weather, wind calm, visibility more than 10, sky condition few clouds at 5,000, temperature 25 Celsius, 2.12 Celsius, altimeter 3023, remarks, density altitude 2,200.
Alright, ATIS received, altimeter 3023, set. And we'll get our clearance simulated on ground, which here is 122.8. Check our message. Memory battery low, that's normal. Bellefontaine clearance, Diamond 203 Delta Charlie, VFR North Practice Area. Your clearance, Diamond 203 Delta Charlie. You are cleared to the North Practice Area via after departure. Turn left, heading 330. Climb and maintain 3,000 feet. Expect 4,000 3 minutes after departure. Departure frequency will be 123.05, squawk 1200. You'll read back your clearance. After that, transponder, code 1200, and standby. Avionics master switch off. Briefing. High fly, normal takeoff, full power. Flaps takeoff. VR 45, V-climb 75. In case of engine failure, lower the nose. Speed 75, land straight ahead or slightly left or right. VFR departure will be turn to heading 330. Initial climb 3,000. Expect 4 in 3 minutes. Any questions? No questions. Before start checklist. Parking brake set. Fuel quantity check. P2 install cover. Tie downs chocks remove. Walk around completed. Cockpit preparation completed. Rudder pedals adjusted and locked. Seat belts locked. Gem master switch on. Alternate air off. Throttle idle. Mixture rich. Fuel cut off, open. Circuit breakers in, avionics master switch off, canopy closed and secured. Before start checklist complete. Hey, hope you receive value from watching this video. If you'd like to learn more from me, I invite you to take advantage of a free 14-day trial of FltLabs mastery programs. And inside, you're going to learn how to take control of your training, elevate your flying skill, and experience a new level of confidence in the cockpit. So, link for that's in the description below. Check it out, and I'll see you on the next video. See ya!